Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we've got our 2013 Ford Fusion. On this Ford Fusion we're going to go over how you'd replace the ABS wheel speed sensor on your vehicle. Right, so we need to remove this bolt here, which is a size 8mm. And then sometimes you got to rock these a little bit. This one is just pulling right out. There it was. Pull it right out. Okay. Now we've got a clip up here. I'm going to try to get out of here without breaking it, but that's probably not going to work. Perfect. Okay, we got the clip out, and then right up in here we have another little clamp. Rubber grommet. There we go. Work it out. We got another one over here. Work that out. And then we've got the electrical connector right here where we just need a squeeze one side and pull out, and that's how you remove the whole ABS wheel speed sensor for the left hand side. No, it'd be the right hand side of your Ford Fusion. So you take a new one and we put it back in the reverse order. Line the electrical connector. Press it until it clicks. Then put your rubber grommet in up at top here. And we got our other rubber grommet holder here. Just work it in there. Put this clip back in as it can. There we go. And then last thing, you want to just push this back in here, line it up, and put your bolt back in and tighten it up. And that's how you replace your ABS wheel speed sensor on your Ford Fusion. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.